Hey guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word кто, or who. The Russian default mouth position makes everything sound instantly more Russian. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. It's better to exaggerate this at first. You can always walk it back later, but if you don't exaggerate it, you may never get there. Let's try our word. Here we go. Jaw, tongue, lips. Кто? 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 In the English word fact, the K sound almost disappears into the T. Fact. Fact. But this doesn't happen in the Russian кто, where the K is clearly audible. Кто? Кто? The English O actually closes to an U sound. O. O. But Russian does the opposite. Start closed and open up a little, either from an O to an A sound or from an U to an O sound. O. O. Let's put it all together. Jaw, tongue, lips. Кто? 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!